Okay, then there should be a bag with your case that has like a fucking million standoffs, and you need to put those.
Man, you're making me go into the screw bag.
Well, yeah, it's either that or you screw it to your case and it shorts and it's over.
Alright, check it out. You see this? Is this the type of shit we need?
I'm seeing about 4 pixels on the screen right now.
How do I make it go more density?
I don't know. I think you're just putting a little too. Oh, there we go. Yeah, those are it. Those are standoffs. You did it.
Oh, I got a China. This one?
Yep, that's it.
This is it?
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Pog. Okay.
How do you even see?
I kind of don't. It's just kind of like a blurry mess. But I've seen standoffs. But why did you touch all this shit before you put your computer?
Because I was fucking waiting for your bitch ass to get on. You weren't getting the gun, so what am I supposed to do? Sit still like a fucking stone? Oh, so the mother. Yeah,
that fucking bag you grabbed was the one for the fucking cooler, dude.
I don't know where the other one is.
Oh my fucking god! You
What?
grabbed the wrong bag of screws. I'm like, dude,
You said that was it. I'd like to thank the Academy, Sam, School, Xbox, PS4, Halo 3, Halo 2 coming to PC on Steam and Xbox One, Custom Games for teaching me to be careful, and Overwatch for giving me depression. Why does the cat have to stay in your room? I don't get it.
It's my cat.
It's your cat.
It's
so like when you
11/16.
move there, you had to bring your cat.
Yeah, what am I gonna get rid of my cat?
I would. If I was moving, I'd get rid of the cat.
Animal, I've had this cat for 11 years.
I had mine. I had mine
that's
for
an
since
old
I was a
cat.
little kid. My dad sold it.
Yeah, I don't have a dad that does that.
Can buy a 2,000 plus PC but can't afford lotion.
I have lotion. I just don't put on my fucking feet. You know where it goes.
You smoke cigarettes because there's so many ashes on your toes.
There's not ash. It's like little fucking
It's
tiny
just-
bit of it. It's just
Yeah,
contrast because I'm fucking black. Relax. No, CPU fan error. What is that? What does that fucking mean?
It's gonna blow up.
Oh, look at that.
By the way.
Alright, I'll fucking leave it alone. Alright, boys, end of the stream. Computer is working. That's about it, boys. Like, it's over. Like, I'm going to fucking sleep, dog. Like, holy fuck. Like, all I can say is, stand by me. Better streams are coming literally so fucking soon. I'll be able to play Minecraft, Overwatch, all that shit. Good FPS. I'll hit fucking GM. All that on this PC Poggers.